Hi, I'm Vinny from Hacks for Data Analysis, and this is the hack of the week. In this video, I'll show you how to do a Vlookup in Power BI. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to hit the like button from this video. Now, if you're coming to Power BI from Excel, you realize that things actually work differently in Power BI. So for doing a VLOOKUP in Power BI, there are actually several different ways to do this. And actually the most efficient way of doing this is by creating relationships and using measures. But if you want to keep it simple and you're not working with big data, you might just want to see everything in one single table. And to do that, I'm going to use the Power BI function called merge. The merge function is actually when you merge two different tables and you create a new one. So let's do this. I'm in Power BI, and in this example, I have two tables. The first one is the products list. So I have 5 different products. I have the unit price, and I have the product ID. In the second table, it's the sales list. And the sales list, I have the units sold, the product ID, which is called product in this table, and the month of the sale. All I want to do here is that in the sales list, I want to see what is the unit cost for each of these products. And I also want to know what is the product name for each row of data. You can find in the description of this video the download link for this Power BI file, which I'm using right now. What I'm going to do is I'll click on Edit Queries. And here you can see both tables, product list and sales list. So what I'm going to do is I'll click Home, Merge Queries, click on this arrow, Merge Queries as New. And this will allow me to merge two queries or tables into a new one. Now, when you see this window, you have to select the two tables that you would like to merge. But the order matters. So you need to decide which is your base table. Well, if you remember, I said that I would like to see in the sales list the information from products list. So the sales list is actually my base table. So in the first table, I'll select sales list. And now I'll select the second table to merge with, which is the products table. So I click here, products list. What I have to do is I have to select the columns which are a match. In this case is the product ID. So in the first table is actually called product. The second table is called product ID. And now you can see the Power BI is showing us that the selection has matched 5 out of the first 5 rows. Now I'll press OK. What you see here, a new query was created. The name is merge1. I'll first rename that. So right click, rename, and I'll call this merge queries. What you see here is the 3 columns from the base table, which is the sales table, and a new column called products list. And you see here table in each row. Now what you have to do is click on this icon and you select which columns you would like to include from your second table. So what I want is product, unit price. I don't need product ID because I already have it on this table. So I'll just tick this one out. I'll press OK. And there you go. Now you have a new query with the values from 2 different queries. And that's just like doing a VLOOKUP in Excel, but it's much easier to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if this was useful to you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.